Today we have a 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta finished in bright brass with antique oak blades. It is sporting a K4S light kit with some very nice looking tinted or smoked beveled glass shades. I just got done cleaning it up and redoing everything. Fan got a brand new set of motor bearings. Every finished surface has a coat of wax on it. Blades were done up with lemon pledge. Everything is just absolutely gorgeous on it. There are a few scratches on it. Like in the side band here, you have that one and these, and it's not perfect, but overall it shows very nicely. Every square inch of this fan was cleaned up and is definitely ready for service. Here's low speed. Fan was manufactured June 15th, 1992, and it was the 127th fan made that day. There's medium. You can really appreciate how well the finish is, or how shiny the finish is with the lights on. There's high speed. Fan is very well balanced. Blades aren't warped. Brackets are all true and straight. Fan's pretty much ready to go. It'll come with everything you see here except the light bulbs. It'll come with all the hardware. We'll go ahead and reverse it here, so that way you know that that works. Sorry, lost track on what speed I was on there. But there's low and reverse. Medium. And there's high. Works just as well in the other direction. And there you have it, folks. 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta for sale on eBay. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.